So one challenge of WordPress is navigating between the different types of pages, different elements of WordPress. And for example, here, if I'm in, I have a test post, I'm going to click Edit right here, and you'll see that the bar on the left, the WordPress menu bar disappeared. It's not showing. So if I want to, let's say, create a new post, I can always come back here and then do mouse over and then click Add New. So you have to click twice. So it can be annoying if you're always in WordPress and if you create a lot of content. So one trick that I have found to be very effective is simply to use the bookmark bar at the top there, and basically you can just drag and drop all of the elements. So all posts, add new, my list of categories, for example. I'm using Thrive theme, so I can put, let's say, Thrive leads. So basically, your profile, any of the pages there. I'm using a page builder as well, so I could have the edit with Thrive Architect right there, and then in one click, I can access all of those things. And the other thing is that I can middle click. I have a configurable mouse, and I can basically middle click, and that's going to open in a new tab, and I can just switch and keep that tab open in a new tab. There are some browsers that allows you, in some settings, that allows you to have the new tab to be opened up automatically. I do that with Firefox. So with Edge, Chrome, maybe there's a way that can be very effective as well. But that's a great way. I always have this add new blog post in my in my top bar, so I can, when I have an idea about a blog post, I just click one button, type it in, save draft. So I'm going to do test 2, save draft, and then I've got my idea saved. It's as a blog post, and then when I have time, I see all of my drafts, and I can create content that way. And if I have another idea, instead of just clicking WordPress and then waiting and then add new again, then I just come here and just say add new, and it's as simple as that. And you can do it as many times as you want, and you can rename those. So if you click edit, you can just do edit like this, and then you can see, for me, I put BP plus for blog post, and then plus because I'm adding one. So it's going to save some space there. You can even remove the text completely. Sometimes I do that, and basically just have the icons, and if you remember in which order, so like you could have your post, your new post, so you have some flexibility there. So hopefully that was useful. If you want more tips and tricks about WordPress and being productive, have a look below in the description. There is a link to a blog post, and I'm going to add more videos over time on that blog post.